Hello again. Welcome to Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Today, a quick chance to practice your grammar. Have a look at this sentence. Peter, a car. Peter, a car. Something's missing. What? Have a look at these three choices. Hasn't got, haven't got, and doesn't have got. Which one of those three fits the sentence? Peter hasn't got, haven't got, and doesn't have got. Which one fits? The answer is hasn't got. Peter hasn't got a car. Hasn't, has not. Peter has not got. Peter hasn't got a car. You could say Peter doesn't have a car. That's another possible alternative, slightly more formal than hasn't got. But Peter, he, singular, has. Peter has. So it can't be have, because have is for plural. You have, we have, they have. So it's just Peter. On his own, Peter has not got a car. Peter hasn't got a car. Can't be the second one. We explained why a second ago. And doesn't have got? No. So, Peter hasn't got a car. English grammar, easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now. I've got a cup of tea.